Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Teens and welcome to my YouTube channel.
In this video, we will discuss about distance formula, wherein the formula that we're going to use in finding the distance between 2 points is d equals the square root of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Let's have example number 1. Find the distance between 1, 3 and 7, 8. Unang gagawin, kukunin natin ang value ni x sub 1 and y sub 1 using the first point. Ito yung coordinates ng first point. So, we have 1, 3. So, ang magiging x sub 1 natin ay yung unang element ng ordered pair. So, x sub 1 is 1. And then y sub 1, ito yung pangalawang number sa ordered pair. So, that is 3. Next, hahanapin natin ang value ni x sub 2 and y sub 2. Ang gagamitin nating point ay 7, 8. Bali, ang magiging x sub 2 natin ay 7. Ito yung x sub 2 natin and then y sub 2 is 8. Ito ang y sub 2. Next, gagamitin na natin ang formula na d equals the square root of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Papalitan natin or isa-substitute natin ang value ni x sub 2 na 7, x sub 1, 1, y sub 2, 8, and y sub 1, 3. Sa formula, bali, ang magiging equation natin ay d equals the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of 8, that is y sub 2, minus y sub 1 is 3, and then squared. Susunod na gagawin ay isi-simplify natin yung mga numbers na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 7 minus 1 is 6 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Ito na yung magiging equation natin. D equals the square root of 6 squared plus 5 squared. Next, kukunin natin ang square ni 6. And that is 36 and the square of 5 is 25. So, we have d equals the square root of 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 is equal to 61. So, therefore, the distance between 1, 3, and 7, 8 is square root of 61. Let's have now example number 2. Find the distance between 1, 6, and 5, negative 2. So, the same dun sa ginawa natin sa example number 1. Ang una nating order ay 1, 6. And then, dito natin kukunin ang value ni x sub 1 and y sub 1. So, x sub 1 is 1. Y sub 1 is 6. And then next, for x sub 2 and y sub 2, ito naman ang gagamitin natin ordered pair or coordinates. So, we have x sub 2 is 5. And then y sub 2 is negative 2. And then next, using the distance formula, isa-substitute natin ang x sub 2, which is 5. And then x sub 1 is 1. Y sub 2 is negative 2. And y sub 1 is 6. Ang magiging equation natin ay d equals the square root of the quantity 5 minus 1 squared plus y sub 2 is negative 2 minus 6 and then squared. Next, isi-simplify natin ang mga numbers na nasa loob ng parenthesis. 5 minus 1 is 4 and negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8. Ito na ang magiging equation natin. D equals the square root of 4 squared plus negative 8 squared. So, ang square ni 4 ay 16. And ang square ni negative 8 ay 64. Susunod, i-add natin ang 16 and 64. 16 plus 64 is equal to 80. So, D equals square root of 80. And since may factor pa si 80, ang factors ni 80 ay 16 times 5. Bali, ang 80 ay magiging 16 times 5. And then, ang 16 ay merong perfect square root. The square root of 16 is 4. Kaya, ang magiging value ni D ay 4 square root of 5. Maiiwan ang 5 sa loob ng radical sign kasi walang perfect square root ang 5. So, the distance between 1, 6, and 5, negative 2 is 4 square root of 5. For example, number 3, find the distance between negative 4, 7, and negative 3, negative 5. Bali, ang magiging value ni x sub 1 ay negative 4, y sub 1 equals 7. Para sa x sub 2 naman, negative 3, and then y sub 2 is negative 5. So, we will use the same formula, which is the distance formula. Isa-substitute na natin ang value ni x sub 2 na negative 3. And then, ang x sub 1 natin ay negative 4. And then, ang y sub 2 natin ay negative 5. Ang y sub 1 natin ay 7. Bali, ang magiging equation natin ay D is equal to the square root of the quantity negative 3 minus negative 4 squared plus the quantity of negative 5 minus 7 squared. Next is simplify natin yung numbers na nasa loob ng parenthesis. Negative 3 minus negative 4 is equal to 1 and then squared plus negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12 and then squared. So, 1 squared is equal to 1 and 12 squared or negative 12 squared is equal to 144. And then 1 plus 144 is equal to 145. So, therefore, the distance between negative 4, 7, and negative 3, negative 5 is square root of 145.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.